We kick off our Christmas cookie countdown with a festive cookie that has just a hint of lemon and is super festive looking. Howard shows us how to make the Santa-approved Mrs. Claus's lemon cookies in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Once again, it's time for our Christmas cookie countdown. Every year we get so excited to read your comments about which ones were your past favorites. Well, this year I want to reintroduce you to a cookie that was a huge hit a few years ago. The recipe comes directly from Mrs. Claus herself. The first thing we do is combine some flour, granulated sugar, and baking powder, along with vegetable oil, milk, a bit of salt, lemon extract, and an egg. After mixing it well, we'll roll it into balls and place them on a cookie sheet before baking them off. When they're done and cool slightly, we place them on a wire rack until they get to room temperature. Then we dip the tops of each one in a homemade lemon glaze that's so easy to whip up. Let me tell you, if Santa and the elves give these a thumbs up, you can only imagine how good they are. To get the recipe for what we call Mrs. Claus's lemon cookies, simply visit our website. And while you're there, make sure you check out all of our cookies from this year's Christmas Cookie Countdown. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found Mrs. Claus's magical way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That one does look good. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website, KOAMnewsnow.com.